Welcome to Tom Smith Chevrolet. We are a small-town dealership with big city pricing and a huge inventory. Are you in the market for a heavy-duty truck? Dominate every road and job with the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2504 WD LT Crew Cab. Powered by a Duramax 6.6L V8 turbo diesel engine paired with an Allison 10-speed automatic transmission, this heavy-duty truck delivers unmatched towing power and efficiency. The rugged Trail Boss package, sterling gray metallic finish, bold 20-inch wheels, and LED lighting make it a head-turner built for any terrain. Inside, heated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a 13.4-inch touchscreen provide premium comfort and connectivity. Advanced safety features like HD surround vision and trailer side blind zone alert ensure stress-free driving. Experience this powerhouse at Tom Smith Chevrolet Buick GMC in Midland. Schedule your test drive today.